encourages kids to learn Indian literacy and culture. Muskan's strategy, Project Muskan, a collaboration between the Prabha Khetan Foundation and the Education for All Trust, with funding from Shree Cement, will reach out to thousands of students across India to popularize heritage literature and culture through cultural programs, storytelling, dance, music, puppetry, and other activities. Sundeep Bhutoria of the Prabha Khetan Foundation, a Kolkata-based social activist and culturist, is the brains behind Project Muskan. The literary and cultural cosmos of India is so huge that no course can possibly cover it all. We have missed out on so much of our beautiful Indian history as children and students. Project Muskan is an attempt to fill this void in a fun and engaging way. Muskan also caters to the numerous demands and concerns that students have. We are grateful to Shree Cement for supporting Project Muskan as part of their corporate social responsibility (CSR) program, said Bhutoria, who is also the founder of Education for All Trust, a non-profit organization dedicated to encouraging education among underprivileged children. The Prabha Khetan Foundation, PKF, is a non-profit organization founded by Prabha Khetan. PKF is a non-profit organization situated in Kolkata that was created by the late Dr. Prabha Khetan. The foundation promotes performing arts, culture, and literature and works with caregivers, motivated individuals, and like-minded organizations to carry out programs in 40 cities across India and beyond. The foundation has worked with a variety of national and international organizations and has had the honor of hosting major performers, world-renowned researchers, as well as current and former presidents and prime ministers of our country. Muskan's strategy idea. The Ruskin Bond session was really educational. He urged us to keep reading and writing so that we could gradually construct a story. The best thing was getting a signed copy of his book. The more words you know, the more power you have, the Sudha Multi workshop gave a profound message. Mrs. Kishmish Ahuja, mother of Avantika Ahuja, a student at Cathedral and John Connon schools in Mumbai, described her as very motivating.